Have an app you would rather keep private? With iOS 26 and iOS 27, Apple makes it easy to hide apps from your home screen and lock them behind Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Whether you want to keep banking apps, social media apps, or personal apps out of sight, this feature lets you do it in just a few taps. In this tutorial, we will show you exactly how to hide and unhide apps on your iPhone. Let's first hide the app. Unlock your iPhone and find the app you want to hide on the home screen or the app library. Touch and hold the app icon. Tap Require Face ID or Require Touch ID on supported models. Then tap Hide and Require Face ID. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Confirm by tapping Hide App. The app will immediately disappear from the home screen and app library and move to the Hidden Apps section. Now to access hidden apps, you need to go to the Hidden App folder. Swipe to the app library, scroll to the bottom, tap the hidden folder. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode and tap the app to open it. Only someone who successfully authenticates can view the apps inside the hidden folder. Now to unhide an app that you have previously hidden, open the Hidden Apps folder in the app library. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Touch and hold the app's icon you want to restore. Tap Don't Require Face ID. Authenticate again if prompted. The app will return to your app library and can be added back to your home screen if needed. If the app doesn't automatically appear on your home screen, open the app library, find the app, touch and hold its icon, and tap Add to Home Screen. If you simply want to remove an app from the home screen without hiding or locking it, touch and hold the app icon, tap Remove App, and select Remove from the home screen. The app remains available in the app library and can still be searched using Spotlight. So why hide apps on iPhone? Well, hiding apps can help you keep private apps away from prying eyes, lock sensitive apps with Face ID or Touch ID, reduce home screen clutter, organize apps you don't use often, and add an extra layer of privacy when sharing your iPhone. Remember, not every built-in app supports the hide feature. Hidden apps are protected by Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Hiding an app does not delete its data. Notifications and app behavior may vary depending on your privacy settings, and you can unhide an app at any time using the hidden folder. The ability to hide apps is one of the best privacy features available on iPhone, whether you are protecting sensitive information or simply keeping your home screen organized. Hiding and unhiding apps only takes a few seconds. Once you have learned where the hidden folder is located, managing private apps becomes quick and effortless. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.